Hey everybody, it's Erin for Expo International, and today we're going to take a cute little pillow, and this would work for any pillow, and add a couple of different types of pom-pom trims to the edges just to kind of spice them up and make it all kinds of fun. I have two various trims, and if one all else fails, go for white because white goes with everything if you cannot match specific colors that are in your pillow. And I'm going to do the bottom ribbing. You can see right here is a little bit of a bottom edge. I'm going to do that with a larger pom-pom trim, and then the top pom-pom, or the top rib, I'm going to add the smaller pom-pom trim. Links for all the supplies we're going to be using are down below. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to find a good starting point. Since this is an oval pillow, really any point, it does not matter. If you have a square pillow, I would suggest starting at a corner and then working your way around. And I am just going to attach. So a little bit of needle and thread. If you're not in the needle and thread, you're more than welcome to use glue. I want this to be a little more secure because it's going in my daughter's bedroom. So make sure you have a good, nice end, no fraying, no little end pieces. So just kind of snip off the end of anything that might be coming kind of to fray. Have a good clean end. And then you're just going to eye tuck it kind of underneath that little ribbing area. When I'm sewing, use a needle that's nice and comfortable for yourself. And start from the inside. And you're going to follow it, and when you come through, you don't want to go through the middle of your ribbing or this big kind of piping along the edge here. You want to kind of come inside. I double knot my thread to give it a nice good secure hold, and then I'm just going to go back and forth to secure the pom-pom trim to the edge of this ribbon going all the way around. I'll come back and show you what it looks like when it's done. So I've done the stitching all the way around with this smaller pom-pom trim, and look how adorable that looks. It just really kind of adds a little bit to that pillow, a little something fun, but we're not going to finish it there. You could, if you wanted to, do a double layer of two different pom-poms. If you don't have two different pipings like I do on this particular pillow, you could go ahead and add another trim just below that, so you could double it up as you put it on. But I thought it'd be kind of fun to add a little bit of a separation and add the other trim, actually still keeping on the inside, and just having it go along the other edge. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start off pretty much in the same kind of general location. It still has a beautiful kind of a lacy trim along the edge, so it's got a nice little trim. And just like with the other one, have a starting point and go ahead and sew, and you're going to go in through. And I like keeping the trim on the inside of the piping, not on the outside, and then just going back and forth. And you can do small stitches or large stitches as you like, and going all the way around the entire perimeter of the pillow, just stitching back and forth, making sure not to get my thread caught up, adding more thread, just stitching back and forth until I go all the way around. So I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you what this looks like when it's all done. So here we go, here's the front, and here is the cute little side pom-pom trim that goes on this pillow. So adorable, fit on super easy, and now it's just got a little bit of something fun as attached to this super sweet little fairy pillow that my daughter uses in her bedroom. So I got this pillow ages ago, and we decided to spruce it up and make it fun. So this is something you can do to just about any pillow that you can do it for a kid's pillow, a fun pillow. Go to any of the, resale stores, Dollar Tree, things like that, see what they have for their fun pillows, and then spruce them up with a little bit of Expo pom-pom trim. So super adorable. Pictures are going to be at the end of this, that way you can see what it looks like in full scape and you're not looking at it from just a little corner of the screen. And don't forget, links are going to be down below, and please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye bye.